Hello guys, so how you guys doing? As you can see, I got my tire apart for my bicycle. It's a little 27 and a half schwinn bike, and that is flat. It wasn't holding air, and I was looking at patch kits and stuff, and it was kind of expensive, so I ended up ordering this by Slime. It has slime in it, so if I get a puncture, it should seal itself and I should be able to ride for a lot longer. And the way I took the tire off is I just use a Home Depot pencil. I just push this in and then put this in the back and then pull it out and then just pull around the tire, and that's it. That's how easy it is to get it off. Now I'm gonna install this into the tire, back into the rim. So let's get it out and let's open it without puncturing the tire. And you can feel a little bit of the slime in it. Shredder valve. Oh, not like it actually has the valve to get this out. And I'm sorry about those neighbors, but those neighbors are too noisy. So once we have this out, and I think I'm gonna go into the garage because these people are too loud. Okay, so I decided to come in because those people outside, they have their music way too loud. So this is a electric battery powered hand pump, and what we're gonna do with the inner tube, we're gonna put a little bit of air, not too much, just so that we can put it into the tire. So we'll just put a little bit. Let me see. Just a little bit of air, not too much. And let me see if it's enough. And then we're gonna do just a little bit more. Let's see. Yeah, that should be enough. So now it has a little bit of air, and now we can put it into the tire, and then we can put everything into the rim. I'm gonna bring everything in here because they're too loud out there. Okay guys, so I got the tire inside. I got a little bit of air in this room, and on the other inner tube I already found where the air was leaking. So now what we have to do, we gotta put this into the actual tire, and that's why I want to put some air, because it makes it a little bit easier to put it inside the tire. So that's on the tire now. Now we gotta put this into the rim. It's gonna be right there. Gotta work the tire back into the rim. For this I'm just using my fingers, little bit of finger strength. And let's use the ring. And now we just gotta put air into the tire. Correctly everywhere. And put some more air. So it's about 20 psi over there. That's it. It's ready to go in the bike. And on this one, I already found where the damage is, which is like somewhere right here. It's like right here. But buying a patch kit, I'm still probably gonna buy a patch kit. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take all the air out of this one, and when I buy the patch kit, I'm gonna patch it up, and if I need another spare inner tube, I'm gonna use this one. So it's just so that I can get all the air out of it, and I can store it somewhere until I get the patch kit. And then from there I can still reuse this one, because I found it's just a small little hole. It's just a tiny little hole in it. And I'm just gonna fix it, and I will be using this again at some other time. Now they'll give me an extra 2 inner tubes, because I ordered 2 of those slime tubes. Now I just gotta figure out exactly how much air I gotta put on my bike, and that's it. So let's put it back in the bike. So that's my schwinn bike. pretty much it now. Now I'm ready to ride the bike again. Got my helmet, I got my phone holder up there. And yeah. So just fix the flat on the bike. And I will be using it probably Monday. And I just gotta start that, and then I gotta look up exactly how much air I gotta put on a 27.5 tire, because I think I've actually probably put a little bit too much air on it. But once I figure out how much air you gotta put on a 27.5 inch tire mountain bike, then that's exactly the air I'm gonna be putting. So if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. God bless you all. Have a great day.